12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about 12,000 times per day.
This 12-year-old girl randomly started sneezing one day, and she hasn't been able to stop since.
All of a sudden it kind of started in just like little spurts.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
It's really painful.
At first it seemed harmless, but over time the non-stop sneezing became extremely painful and completely took over her life.
Can't eat, can't drink.
What's even scarier is that despite countless medical tests, doctors still can't figure out what's causing it, and they fear it may only get worse with time.
She can't go to school. The sneezing is just too distracting. She can't be on the swim team. She can't play her clarinet. And just think about this, she can't even sleep.